Hello, my name is Bridgette Dennett, and I am one of the faculty in the theater department here at the University of Mary Washington.
Hi, I'm Sarah Smith. I am one of the chemistry faculty members here at the University of Mary Washington. I am our analytical chemist, so I teach a lot of the how much did you make and what did you make classes.
And I'm a scenic designer, so I teach theater, but I teach the fun building things to create the world of theater, so I do a lot of painting as part of that. And that kind of led to me to talk to Sarah about, I get really nerdy about what's in your paint that you're using. So we developed a topic that's called the science of paint that looks at what makes paint paint and why does it work the way that it does. So that is the class that we're teaching for the summer enrichment program this summer.
Yeah, so we're going to start off the class by talking about what are the different components of paint and what makes them stick to specific things, or what you might want to use that paint for, depending on what it's made of.
We talk a lot about color theory, so like how you can mix pigments together to create a huge range of colors, which is quite fun. And then we talk about how we can make a type of paint using historical practices to make your own paint. So you get to make your own what's called tempera, which is a paint made out of egg and dry pigment, which is quite cool.
And then you get to use some dried pigments, make your own colors, and then at the end of the week is you'll be working on a painting that you're going to make yourself with the paints that you did. And you can paint whatever you want.
And you get to walk out with some art, which is always fun. Which is actually one of my favorite parts of it. Is I like the getting messy and paint mixing and all that jazz. So I like the using the color theory to create those like wide range of colors. And then I like the artistic side of getting to put paint onto canvas and have a thing that you made from scratch.
So I really like to see what the students come up with, and I'm not an artsy person, but just being able to see what they can draw and paint, and it's just amazing.
And it's always nice to have a hands-on thing when you're doing classes, so I feel like having that hands-on component's one of the strengths of the course that we taught last summer.
Yes.
So
Yeah, there's a couple of days where it's more lecture-based, but then there's a lot of days where you get to hang out and do art and work in the lab, or work in the art space.
yeah. So that's our class.
Hope to see you in the spring or
Hope
summer.
to see you in the summer.